All right, on this build, we'll be building the Academy 1/72nd scale AH-64D Block II early version. This kit. All right, here's the first sprue in the Academy AH-64D Block II early version kit. We'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see some of the things. I think there's 3 sprues total. I think we'll try to get a little bit close. Of course, it's still in the plastic because I don't like to unwrap them until I actually start to work on them. I've got a couple more kits to take videos of. That's that one. We'll bring in the next sprue. Probably edit this out, possibly. Let's get the whole sprue here. Of course, there's the main rotor. I think there is another sprue inside of this sprue bag, I think. I'm not 100% sure. We'll flip it over and see if we see anything. Let's flip it over and see if there's another. Yeah, there's a smaller sprue in there. Let's see what that is. Oops, excuse me. Part of the guns, maybe? I'm not really sure. Maybe we'll see it in the instructions when we look in the instructions. Not really sure what that is. Okay. It's that sprue. I think I can do this, but I'm not sure. We'll do the best we can. Here's our first step. There's the second step. And this is a fold out, so I have to fold it out. There's the third step. Looks like it's the third step continues what it looked like. Should be the fourth step. Yep. Put my hand out of the way. And I think the back sheet. Let's see. Oh no, here we go. Fourth, fifth. Looks like it's the armament. Yeah, looks like it's the Hellfires. I've got this aircraft in TCS World too. It's one of the reasons I bought it. Here's number 6. Yes, that's number 6 continued. Number 7. Eight. 9. And 10. There's also a second set of instructions. I think this is the decals. Yeah, decal placement. If I counted them right on the sheet, there's 157 of these little suckers. And they're gonna take forever if I use them all. I've watched some videos and I haven't seen anybody put all these on yet. I'm not saying the videos aren't out there, I'm just saying I hadn't seen them. That's the first page. I guess I need to turn this one this way. There's the other decals. There's just a ton of them, man. It'll take, well, for me, it'll take weeks just to do the decals. And then, I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, painting and decal placement continued. Oh, this is if you use the different versions. You know, the Vipers, the U.S. Army Iraq, Avengers, Sidewinders, so forth. Here's the sprue sheet. Other parts are on the sprue. And here comes the big one. And that is the 157 decals. Yeah, there's a number 157 there, but I don't know. There's so many decals, it's unbelievable in this thing. I'm not even really sure what those numbers mean until I start to actually work on it. Well, I'm sure there's different versions, so I don't guess there'd be 157 on each and every version. But that is a boatload of decals there. Anyway, should be a fun kit to build for myself and other people that buy it. Have fun if you get it.